Benefits of poured concrete. Weather adaptability. Concrete can be poured in various weather conditions with proper planning, keeping projects on schedule. Strong and durable. Once cured, concrete forms a solid, long-lasting foundation or surface that withstands heavy loads and harsh weather. Customizable shapes and sizes. It can be poured into almost any shape or size, ideal for unique designs and complex architectural features. Smooth and even surface. Poured concrete creates a seamless, uniform surface that is both visually clean and slip-resistant. Low maintenance. Properly poured and sealed concrete requires minimal upkeep, resisting wear over the years and saving time and money.